Hello everyone, my name is John.
Today I will tell you how to set up an integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Zoho Inventory. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, through Zoho Inventory you can receive new contacts and conveniently interact with them in the future.
Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection.
Next you need to select the data source system, TikTok.
Next you need to select an action. Get leads, new. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the ApiX-Drive service. At this stage, you must specify the username and password for your TikTok business account. After this, you need to indicate the code that will be sent to your email. Next, we provide ApiX-Drive access to work with your TikTok account. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. Next you need to select an advertising account. Now select the page. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so click Continue. At this point, you should see test data on one of your TikTok leads. If there are no real leads, click Load Test Data from TikTok and you will see an example of test data with fields filled in. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. This completes the TikTok data source setup successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination setting. Select the system Zoho Inventory. Next, select an action. In this case, I want to create new contacts. At this stage you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password for your Zoho Inventory personal account. Next, we grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Zoho Inventory account. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. Now you see Zoho Inventory fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from TikTok to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point you see an example of the data that will be transferred to Zoho Inventory in the form of new contacts with each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step.
In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Zoho Inventory.
After successful submission, go to Zoho Inventory and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of Zoho Inventory as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.